Next is financial sector reforms. Now we are going to discuss the financial sector reform. Before new economic policy, everything was under the control of RBI. Each and every decision was taken by the Central Bank of India, which was related to the financial sector reforms. Means any commercial bank cannot take any decision without consulting the financial sector reforms. Now this question has many small questions included in that. First, what does financial sector includes? Now, the financial sector includes financial institutions such as commercial banks, investment bank, stock exchange operations, and foreign exchange market. So this is again a 1 marks question. Second question is, who control financial sector in India? I hope you all, everyone knows that financial sector in India is controlled by RBI, that is the Central Bank of India. Third, what are the functions of RBI? This question can be for 1 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks. Now, depending upon the question, you have to write the answer. If the question is 1 marks, the basic important function of RBI is that is to issue the notes. That is the basic point, because other than RBI, no one can issue the currency. Now, all financial institutions are regulated through the norms and the regulations of RBI. This is the function of RBI, that all financial institutions are regulated through the norms and the regulations of the RBI. Next is RBI decide about CRR, SLR, rate of interest, nature of lending, etc. These are the functions of your RBI. So CRR, SLR, these terms we have done in the government budget chapter, but then also I'm going to repeat it out. CRR refers to cash reserve ratio. SLR refers to statutory liquidity ratio. CRR is that amount of money which every